So we're taking a one-day break from the coolest cities to visit in each state. We'll come back to the next 5 tomorrow, and this will be today's video. Hi there. I stepped out to bring in the mail a while ago, and there was a box with an Etsy label on it, and I thought, I don't remember ordering anything from Etsy. Maybe I did. I wonder what it is. And then I sat down here and got my knife out and got ready to cut the tape, just like so. Come on, tape, you can do it. Good job. Okay. Be careful when you close your knives, they might pinch your fingers. So out comes the paper, and here is a beautifully wrapped package with ribbon and paper, and the label says, "This looks like it was made for you. Happy birthday, Mambo. Love you." And then I remembered my daughter said she was sending me something. See, there's the, isn't that sweet? It even looks like her handwriting. How did they do that? Looks like there's a business card here. Pretty little business card with butterflies from, where's my glasses? I'm gonna have to turn this light on. L. Delaney, Lauren Delaney George, something, author and explorer. I'll have to get my glasses out to read this. They're in the other room. I'm opening a package right now. This is nice ribbon. It's cloth ribbon. And it's tied right there. I don't want to cut it. Let's see if I can get it untied in this century. I'm pretty good at that sort of thing. Okay. Now I have a nice piece of ribbon. It's very nice. Pretty ribbon. Okay. Now I'll get my knife back out and slice that tape. Yes, I could tear the paper, and I probably will tear a little bit of it, but I'm going to try not to tear it too much. I can't help tearing some of it. Okay. There's that long edge. Knife back in pocket. It's kind of squishy. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's squishy because it's got bubble wrap on it. Hooray for bubble wrap. Okay, let's get this paper over here. Come on, paper, you can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job, paper. Alrighty, now let's get into the bubble wrap. We'll save the popping part for later. Maybe I can put this down where you can see the package a little better. Okay, bubble wrap, you go over there with the wrapping paper. There you go, good job. And even a protective layer of foam wrap. Okay, so here's the little shadow box looking kind of thing. It has silver tissue paper. Oh, I bet there's something under that tissue paper. What do you think? Oh my goodness. It totally does look like it was made just for me. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Isn't that the most darling thing? Pretty little dress. Look at those details. Oh, love that kind of retro style. How dear. How dear. Little buttons and a little buckle on the belt. I love it. Oh, that is darling. And the little a little hanger, a little clothes hanger. Oh, that's just too dear. How in the world does she do that? That is amazing. Amazing and beautiful. Okay, I'm going to slip her business card right here in the back. I may go message her on Etsy and tell her that I got it as a gift and that I love it. And then I will. So we're taking a one-day break from the coolest cities to visit in each state. We'll come back to the next 5 tomorrow, and this will be today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Click that like button if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Shameless self-promotion. And I'll see you next time.